So what we're doing today is we're trying to replicate ambient natural light. So we're going to pretend as if the lighting that is supposed to be lighting it up is coming out of like a very large window. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the studio with Matilda once again. So what we're doing today is we're trying to replicate ambient natural light. So we're going to pretend as if the lighting that is supposed to be lighting it up is coming out of like a very large window. And the way I'm going to do it is with two lights. I'm going to use my first light, which is my Flashpoint Explore 400 Pro. I have it bouncing into an umbrella, which is going to fill this V flat and wash a lot of light onto our scene, which is going to give us very soft, almost looking like an ambient light in the room. And to sell this idea off even more, I have a second light. So my second light is my Flashpoint Explore 600, and that one is being modified with my Godox snoot, and I have a gobo in there similar to this one. It's just going to cast like a window shape onto our backdrop. So it's going to help sell the idea that it's like some window light that is lighting up our scene. So I'm going to start testing so you guys will see what each light is doing, how it's affecting the scene. And by the way, I'm again using my portable backdrop from Kate Backdrop. I'm going to link it down below. And once you're there, you can actually check my digital store. I have some amazing digital products that I feel like if you cop, it's going to help you. That is, if you get my workflow actions, and if you want to color grade your dark skin tones and make them pop like in my images, you can just get my melanin skin tone LUTs. And I also have another one coming soon, so stay tuned for that. What we're doing, right, is we're playing with shadows. We want shadows to show in our scene a little bit. That's what's going to help sell the idea. So this time I have a little bit close to the backdrop so that the second light is going to light her up. Even though it's throwing like that window frame onto the backdrop, it's still going to cast a bit of hair shadow onto the backdrop as well and make it look more believable. So right now, that's the only light that is on. I'm going to take a test and then we'll see what we're getting. In case you're wondering, my camera settings, I'm at 1/200 on the shutter speed, 3.5 on aperture, and ISO 160. I'll take a test. Okay, again, I'm tethering into Capture One so that I can see the images and make creative decisions if I have to. So currently it's looking good. It's a bit underexposed, which is fine. That is where our second light is going to come in and just fill the frame and then give us a little bit more of a fill light. All right, so I'm gonna turn that on. With our fill light on, that is set to 1/16. Just take a test and let's see what we're getting. Yeah, I really like the way it's looking, but I feel like it could use a little bit more power. So I'll just move the setup a little bit closer so we get a little bit more of a stronger effect. And I'm also just opening up the V flat a little bit more so we get more spread of light on our subject. Take another test. Yeah, that's way better. That's way better. But you still need to go up on the power just a tiny bit. Actually, let me just open up my ISO to, let's say, 250. Take another test. I like this. So, Matilda, we can start shooting. All right, lift your chin up a tiny bit. I feel like the highlights are a tiny bit too strong, so I'll also up my aperture to f4. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I like that. One of my flashes didn't go off. Yeah, that's it. One more. Okay, let me throw in this stool and let's see what you can do with it. I don't know, maybe you can like stand, you can, yeah, whatever you want to do. Yeah, that's it. Keep it. Still lift your chin. Yeah, perfect. Beautiful. Yeah, I like it. What if you stand cross the other way? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Lean forward towards me. Perfect. Ooh, that's it. Just move a little bit this way. Yeah, right there. So bend the arm. No, that one is fine. It's the right one. Just raise it up. Yeah, perfect. Just like that. Nice. Eyes to the camera. Now just face that light. Yeah, right there. Yeah, chin up. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun. I'm going to leave links to everything I use in the description down below. You can check them out if you want it. But this is just another way to elevate your studio shots, just using simple modifiers like these. So we use the V-flat and the umbrella to create like a big spread of light to give us very soft light on our subject. And then we also added our gobo to cast a bit of like a window pattern, just to help sell the idea that it's window light that is lighting up our scene. So let me know how you feel about this video in the comments. If you learned something, let me know as well. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up.